So everyone and their grandma's been asking how to buy meme coins. Well, here's the complete guide how I do it. In this video, I'll be using the popular meme coin called Ski Mask Dog, and I'll be using the Uniswap wallet. But I'm confident when you can figure it out with one meme coin, you can figure it out with other ones across other wallets. Just remember, this video is made for entertainment purposes only, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and proceed with caution. Crypto can be extremely volatile and risky. Anyways, let's get to the entertainment part. Step 1 is to go on Google Play and to download the app for a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. So if you are brand new to crypto, a centralized exchange is the most mainstream and generally considered the safest way to buy cryptocurrency. That is because of the high government regulations surrounding it and requirements such as user identification. Notable cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, ShakePay, and Wealthsimple Crypto. I have the ones I trust linked in my channel description, so if you want to sign up using those, you'll get a little free crypto just for signing up and trying them out. And I didn't hear any rules saying you couldn't try them all out. Anyway, once you download your centralized exchange of choice, verify your ID, register, all that stuff, I won't bother showing that here because it's pretty much straightforward. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So once you're registered, at this point if you're new, just play around with the interface for a little bit. Get familiar with things. Start by playing with the free crypto you just made by signing up using my free affiliate codes. See how it works. Learn how the fees work. Realize when you buy $100 of crypto, it's going to only show up as like maybe $99.20. That's your fees, but it's completely offset by the fact of the gains you get. You realize, oh, that's negligible. That's not a big deal. Unless you suck at trading, then it's probably a big deal. That's how I learned. I signed up using somebody's codes, ended up getting some free crypto, lost every bit of it just messing around, not knowing what I was doing. But after you do that for a little bit and you play around, you end up realizing what's going on, and hopefully something changes. So once we've onboarded our money into our centralized exchange wallet and it appears, now it's time to look where to buy up the meme coin of your choice and what coin you'll need for gas fees. In a centralized exchange, they cover your gas fees, so you just buy what you want. But on a decentralized exchange, you have to make sure you have the gas fees. So we go to Google Play again. Everything seems to start with Google Play, doesn't it? And this time we're going to download CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko as an alternative if you like lizards. I hear it's just as good. These two apps are basically a good way to monitor cryptocurrencies. It's basically like a dashboard. If you're wondering the price of Bitcoin or any coin, you can just type it in here and it will pop it right up on your screen. You can get a little widget on your screen if you're following maybe two coins that you've invested in, so it can stay on the top of your phone at all times. You can get notifications set for them. It's a pretty handy little app, and I highly recommend if you're in crypto and you haven't heard of these yet, I'd get on getting them. Now once I'm in CoinMarketCap, I'll type in our example, Ski Mask Dog, and select it from the list under Crypto Assets. And then go to the Markets tab and look for the first one at the top of the list. This is the highest liquidity, as I understand it, and will get you better gas fees. This is the place that Ski Mask Dog is traded the most, from what I understand. For exchange, it says Uniswap, and it's on the Base network, which uses Base Ethereum for the gas fees. So that tells us we need to buy it on Uniswap, and we need Ethereum in order to cover the gas fees. So now we know we need Ethereum to buy Ski. So we go back to our centralized exchange, we take our recently loaded dollars, and we buy Ethereum with it. So after buying your Ethereum on the centralized exchange, your next step is to go, yes again, to Google Play, and this time, download Uniswap. Once it's downloaded, open it up, click Create Wallet, and then give it a nickname. Try to give it something cool. You might enjoy it. Try to keep it clean, folks. Next, click Keep It Safe. And proceed to manually back up your seed phrase, which, if you're again new to crypto, is basically your password and, in a sense, your username all in one. It's a list of 12 words or 24 that can be used to gain access to your crypto wallet anywhere in the world from any wallet. So guard these very carefully. If you lose your keys, you lose your crypto. So please write them down, keep them safe from fire, flood, any prying eyes, and Michael Saylor. Okay, bad joke, guys. What a bad man. Don't sue me, Michael, love ya. Meant it in a good way. But seriously, share it with no one. Now don't worry, I know what you guys are thinking. Why didn't we back up our keys for the centralized exchange we were on too? That's because with a centralized exchange, it's the exchange who actually controls the keys to your crypto. Therefore, in a way, they kind of own your crypto. Although in most cases, they are very good and you don't have to worry about it, there have been instances where that was not the case. It reminds me of the very popular phrase in crypto: not your keys, not your crypto. Now, a way around this is to keep your keys stored on what's called a cold storage wallet. Similar to what's on my finger right now, this is the Tangem ring. It basically contains the keys for my crypto, so nobody else in the world can access it except for me. In my description, I have a link for a significant amount of money off if you purchase it through my channel. This allows you to keep your keys offline, inaccessible, so that it's unhackable. And when you control the keys, that means you control the crypto. Anyway, next, turn on your notifications. Do whatever you want to do with the facial ID. Personally, I opted out of that. It's probably safer in theory, I don't know. Again, and you'll want to select the proper currency for the country you're in. It's by default set to USD. You can even put in a handsome dark mode, but warning, it's only for straight G's. Now, this is the part where we need to start being cautious. Now we need to transfer our Ethereum from our centralized exchange to our Uniswap wallet. If you've never withdrawn or transferred crypto before, I highly recommend you do it in a small amount called a tester transaction. Unfortunately, you will still have to pay fees, and they're generally the same regardless how much you send, but it will be much less painful than sending the full amount that you were intending to send and having it all disappear simply because you got one character in the address wrong, or you happen to be on the wrong network, which, trust me, is much more common than you would think. But allow me to demonstrate how I do it properly. First, we need to get our Uniswap wallet's Ethereum specific address only. To do this, go to Uniswap, search for Ethereum, select Ethereum under tokens, then hit the 3 dots at the top right to open a menu, and then hit receive. This will provide your personal Ethereum only address to send Ethereum on the Ethereum network only to. Now, full disclosure, I still got a leg in the 80s here, so I don't even know what a QR code is yet, but all I do is just copy the alphanumeric characters, and then it's time to go back to our centralized exchange with the Ethereum. Find our Ethereum wallet, select Ethereum, and then withdraw or transfer. It might even come up as send. It's here where it asks where it's being sent, or the address where you'll post your Uniswap specific Ethereum address. Then you will put how much you want to send, and when it asks what network, Ethereum only. This is very important. You will lose your money if you do anything different. And as far as the address, make sure you double, triple, and quadruple check every character is correct. Remember, if you're new to this, do a tester transaction. Do two. Do as many as it takes to get comfortable, guys. You do not want to send $1,000+ and lose it because you weren't aware of what you were doing or you were rushing. Finally, when you're ready, you hit send and then wait. Full disclosure, it might be cheaper to learn this on a Phantom wallet on the Solana network because the fees are significantly cheaper. So if you were at the very beginner stage, you might want to hop over there and do that. One of the biggest, if not the biggest downside to Ethereum are its fees. That is where the Ethereum killer narrative came in. But that is a video for another day. But the fees are kind of crazy. Now, a fan on another one of my short videos kindly pointed out that there is another way to do this that involves using a credit card. However, that's not the one I'm going to show because at least in Canada, 90% of credit card transactions that have to do with buying cryptocurrency investments automatically fail. So good luck, guys, if you want to go that route, if that works for you. Maybe Possessed here can help you guys out. Send him a message. Just making you guys aware there are other methods, I guess. But it really stings though, that first transfer to Uniswap, and if you go to upload anything again, don't worry, it's not going to have to be Ethereum. As long as you keep Ethereum in your wallet, you can just start uploading USD, which is significantly cheaper in fees. And I meant USDC, sorry. But as far as the fees go, at first you're like, what am I getting myself into? My absolute first time. It's like, man, it's like $40 just to get the money on here. This seems like a scam. But trust me, it was quickly erased within I think 2 hours when I seen how much my money went up. And I started taking my money out to repay my capital pretty quickly. The fees weren't a big deal. If you're investing $100, the fees might be a big deal. But if you're putting on like 500 plus to 1,000 plus, it's not a big deal. Now, when the Ethereum finally pops into your wallet, relax. I can literally feel the relief from here if this is your first time. Trust me, that was me too. It does get better the more you do it, but there is a problem with that when you become complacent. And what happened to me is I was doing like a semi-tester of $200, $300, and I ended up doing it at 3 in the morning, not really thinking, rushing. I think I put in the wrong address or used the wrong network. Boom, just like that, gone. Thankfully, my gains were enough that day that it didn't really matter to me. But looking back, would have been nice not to have done that. Now, in order to buy any meme coins on the base network like Ski Mask Dog, you're going to need what's called base Ethereum. This is Ethereum converted or bridged to be base Ethereum, aka Ethereum on the base network. To bridge it, you need to select the coin you want to trade on the top. In this case, it would be Ethereum, and then select base Ethereum on the bottom. When you type in Ethereum, it'll show different options of Ethereum on different networks. Base Ethereum is the one with the little blue circle on it. So you're going to trade all of your Ethereum but $60 to $100. You're going to keep that for gas fees. It's more than enough for your gas fees, but you're saving a little bit extra just in case. The network gets busy, the fees go up, you're trying to get your money out in emergency. Just trust me, guys, keep at least $60 to $100 Ethereum, regular Ethereum in your account. Then trade the rest for base Ethereum. Now, when the base Ethereum arrives in your wallet, not to confuse you, but you gotta save a little bit of this. This is what you're going to be trading for meme coins like Ski Mask Dog on the base network. And you're going to need to save at least $50, $60 of it. Probably significantly less than that. But again, I just want to give you guys a nice little buffer, the same as I gave myself, so that you always have enough. So never trade for 100% because you'll run out of gas fees and have to upload money again. And we all know that that costs a lot of money. So we try to do it all at once. Unless we're doing a tester transaction, of course. Don't worry, the trading fees for Uniswap are nothing compared to the fees trying to transfer onto Uniswap. And now it's the moment we all are waiting for, how to buy Ski Mask Dog. So go back to CoinMarketCap, look up Ski Mask Dog, click the About tab, then contracts. Then copy the address in the Uniswap search bar to avoid fakes that look similar. Select it and use base Ethereum to trade for it. In the future, it's just cheaper to upload USDC to the platform than Ethereum if you already have your gas fees on there, and you can trade your USDC for base USDC, and as long as you have your Ethereum and base Ethereum, you're able to make trades using the USDC for Ski Mask Dog, as long as it's base USDC with the little blue circle on it. And a reminder, always save $60 or so of base Ethereum for your fees. Here's a little heads up if you're new to Uniswap. You'll see this little hidden token section. If you have small balances, there's a menu option that allows you to show these, but a lot of things in here, anything that appears that is unfamiliar, that says airdrop or looks like something, oh, I have a balance. No, it's a scam. If you click on it, interact with it, I can almost guarantee you're going to be hacked. You're going to lose all your wallet. You're going to probably worse. Just don't click on stuff, guys, unless you are absolutely certain. This is not the place for the faint of heart. If you only have a little bit of Ethereum, like 60 bucks, it might be in your hidden token section down on the bottom. So just open that up and find it. You can, like I said, go in the settings and unhide it. So now you guys see how I upload and use base Ethereum or base USDC to trade for Ski Mask Dog. And hey, maybe now you guys are even part of the ski gang. Just remember, people are going to sell eventually, including me. So don't ever put on any more than you're willing to lose. I hope you found value in this video and I hope it helped you. And if you would like to see more from this channel, and I have a very cool series coming up very soon, going to release episode 1, I hope you will hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave any comments, guys, that you would like answered. I am very happy to answer them and would absolutely love to help you on your journey. I made this channel to help, so if anybody has any better way how to do this, please let me know in the comment section. And until then, check out my other videos. Anyway guys, best of luck, have a good one.